Reading.
I love reading books at night.
Writing.
She enjoys writing stories.
Drawing.
He is drawing a strawberry.
Painting.
I like painting flowers.
Photography.
Photography is my favorite hobby.
Exercising.
She enjoys exercising every morning.
Playing an instrument.
He enjoys playing guitar in his free time.
Singing.
I like singing in the shower.
Dancing.
They are dancing at the party.
Cooking.
My mom loves cooking delicious meals.
Baking.
She is baking a chocolate cake.
Gardening.
I enjoy gardening on weekends.
Fishing.
He goes fishing every Sunday.
Hiking.
We go hiking in the mountains.
Rock climbing.
They love rock climbing on weekends.
Camping.
I like camping with my friends.
Traveling.
She enjoys traveling to new places.
Swimming.
He goes swimming in the pool.
Playing basketball.
They love playing basketball after school.
Cycling.
She goes cycling every day.
Running.
She is running in the park.
Do yoga.
I do yoga to relax.
Meditation.
She practices meditation every day.
Knitting.
My grandma enjoys knitting sweaters.
Sewing.
She is sewing a new dress.
Crafting.
I like crafting with paper.
Puzzle solving.
He likes puzzle solving.
Lego building.
Lego building is fun and creative.
Board games.
We play board games on Friday nights.
Video gaming.
He enjoys video gaming every night.
Collecting.
He likes collecting coins.
Blogging.
I do blogging in my free time.
Volunteering.
They do volunteering on weekends.
Watching movies.
I enjoy watching movies on weekends.
Listening to music.
She enjoys listening to music every night.
Listening to podcasts.
She enjoys listening to podcasts before bed.
Acting.
He loves acting in school plays.
Surfing.
He likes surfing in the ocean.
Bowling.
I go bowling on Saturdays.
Playing chess.
I love playing chess in my free times.
Pottery.
I love pottery because it is relaxing.
Journaling.
She enjoys journaling every night.
Stargazing.
He likes stargazing.
Learning languages.
They are learning languages online.
Karaoke.
She enjoys singing karaoke with her friends.
Whittling.
He enjoys whittling small pieces of wood.
Beadwork.
She makes necklaces with beadwork.
Tattoo designing.
She is learning tattoo designing as a hobby.
Candle making.
He learned candle making as a new hobby.
Relaxing.
She likes relaxing with a good book. Now tell me, what do you do in your free time?